In this video we will make this building that has balconies with irregular widths all around it. This family is a conceptual mass family. We can open the adaptive component that has been placed in this by editing the family. This is the adaptive type family and is going to be loaded into the other conceptual mass family. So first we will make this adaptive family. Open a new adaptive type family template. At the reference level, place 10 points in a row and hold all of them together and make them adaptive. Join them with a spline and check the box for is reference line to make the line a reference line. This will also make this line invisible in the next family into which this file is going to be loaded. Place a point at the line and set a vertical plane at the point as shown. Place a new point at it and hold the point and assign an offset parameter to it. Assign some value to the offset. Hold both the points together and copy and paste at the screen several times. Do not forget to tick the box for multiple and also do not tick constrain. Hold the base point and press Pick New Host and place the point again at the line. Do this for all the points. The number of points here is 11, but you can have number according to the length of the building. Change the normalized curve parameter value of the points one by one. The endpoints will have a value of either 0 or 1 to place them at the ends. The other points have been placed at equal distances. Assign a new offset parameter to some of the points. This is because we want to have different height values for them. Alternate low and high values to the offset will give them the desired wave-like look. Filter out the end reference point and together with the offset point join with a reference line. Hold all the points with the offset parameters with a reference line. Select all the 4 reference lines and create form. Assign a positive offset parameter to it. This family is going to be loaded into another family. Create a new family conceptual mass type. Place a rectangle at the level 1. Hold the rectangle and create a form. Hold the front and side faces of the form and press Divide Surface. Change the grid numbers as required. Hold the divided surface and turn on the nodes. Go back to the previous file and load it into this file. In the 3D view, place the component at the 10 points. As we have made the first family with 10 adaptive points, we need to place it at 10 points in this family. The component seems to have rotated towards inside. We need to have a rotation parameter assigned to the reference points. Go back to the first family and filter out the reference points that were placed at the reference line. I selected all the reference points and then deselected the points with the offset parameter by pressing Shift key. Assign a rotation parameter to the reference points thus filtered out and load the family into the second family. Hold the component and change the rotation to 180 degrees. Sometimes the component may turn by other angles. Change the rotation angle as required. Remove repeater. Hold each component one by one and change the different offset values. Make sure that in the first family all the offset values are instance parameters. Assign random values to the offset parameters. To have a wave-like effect, make alternate values low and high. This method of assigning values to the offset parameters individually is time-taking and boring. So one can also use Dynamo for this. Go back to the first family to make the railing for the balconies. Hide the form. At the wave line, place a point and set a vertical plane and place a rectangle over it. Place aligned dimensions between the point and the sides. And align the lower side of the rectangle to the point and lock. Create new dimension parameters for the width and height of the rail. Select the rectangle along with the point and dimensions and copy and paste at the screen. Hold the point and press Pick New Host button and place it at the line again. Select the point and make its normalized curve parameter value to either 0 or 1 so that the points lie at the respective ends of the wave line. Hold the rectangles along with the wave line and create a form. Change the thickness and height of the rail to appropriate values. Hold the rail and assign a material parameter and also assign a material parameter to the base. Load the family into the mass family again and press Overwrite. Sometimes the rail may fall downwards. In that case, select all the components and check in the box for flip. Assign material to the rail and the base. Please like, share and subscribe.